Welcome back to my channel. Today I will do this simple part for beginners. You can download a drawing to follow along. Okay, let's go. So you start a new part file. Now make a sketch on the top plane. Pick the rectangle tool. It can be any rectangle. You can always center it right. It's going to be 40 by 74 millimeters. Yes, just pick this and that and go make coincident. That will fully define the sketch. Now we'll put some fillets in the corners of 3 millimeter radius. Save the whole thing. Just say yes to this. Thank you. Fillets applied. Now you make 4 circles. Make them co-radial. Should not be like that. You make them concentric with the fillet. Just eyeball them. We'll define them with a dimension later. That's it. Now these are diameter 3 millimeters for each one. Now select all 4 of these circles. The aim is to make them equal. That will fully define them all at 3 millimeters. Done. Close sketch. Now extrude up to 10 millimeters. That's your first part right there. Now on the front plane, we'll do the base on top, that boss on top there. Get the line tool, just make a line, eyeball it, go up, come down, go left, come down slightly, and then close the sketch. Now let's define. Dimension tool, from the bottom to this top of this line here, that will be 20 millimeters. On the step down here to the bottom, and make it 18 millimeters. This line and that line put an angle of 30 degrees. Lovely. Now from this edge to this edge, make it 8 millimeters. The overall height of this thing is 40 millimeters. Lovely. Now the length of this line is 26 millimeters. Our sketch is fully defined. Close sketch. Do a mid-plane extrusion. Which is mid-plane of 26 millimeters. Lovely. Now call up the whole wizard. I already used this thing before, so the dimensions will be there. 13 for the radius, 20 for the counterbore, and 8 for the counterbore depth. I've done this before, so my settings are already there. Now position the hole, pick the top face, just drop it anywhere. You will define it now. So make it construction line, corner to corner. Now pick the center of this construction line and the center of the dot there. Make them coincident. That will fully define the position of the hole. That's defined, and that's it right there. Now make a sketch on the top plane. Get the line tool. Draw a line from here where it stops. Just go out and come back. It will come back as an arc. There's your arc right there. And now close the sketch. Now select the center of the line and the center of this arc and the origin. Make them horizontal. The radius of the arc 5 millimeters. Distance from this is distance from the small hole to set of the arc is 12 millimeters. That's fully defined. Thank you. Close sketch. Extrude cut. Make it up to surface. The top surface. Like this. You got our cut there. Last thing is to put a chamfer on top, 2 millimeters by 45 degrees. Like this. And we are done. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to like my videos and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Bye.